Thank you very much for the organizer and for giving us an opportunity to present our paper. The title of nephroprotective effect of ethanolic extracts Veronia amygdalina delile on rats induced by doxorubicin. My name is Eddie and co-author is Christmas Novalida Ginting, Linda Schumann, E. Newman, Eric Lister, and all of us with from Medical Faculty of Universitas Prima Indonesia. As a background of this paper, I present that doxorubicin is one of the most common systemic treatments to improve several cancers in adults and also children, include hematologies and solid tumor. Unfortunately, the clinical efficacy of doxorubicin is hampered by dose-related toxicity, such as hematopoietic suppression and nephrotoxicity, although the most severe side effects are life-threatening cardiomyopathy. Several cytotoxic mechanisms are involved in the pathogenesis of nephrotoxicity induced by doxorubicin, with a decrease in the glomerular filtration rate that occurs in 50 to 30% of patients. However, a large amount of evidence shows that the oxidative stress induced by doxorubicin remains the basis, as evidenced by reactive oxygen species cause oxidative damage such as lipid peroxidase and protein, and overriding activity which result in angiotensin II. Angiotensin II has been reported to have an essential role in the pathogenesis of several cardiovascular and kidney injury. At present, there are no specific and useful therapeutic agents to avoid organ toxicity associated with doxorubicin. Several studies have shown that Veronia amygdalina can detoxify the body due to its antioxidant properties, thus protecting essential organs such as the liver, kidney, heart, pancreas, and others. Veronia amygdalina useful in traditional medicine as anti-malaria, antimicrobial, anti-helminthic, anti-cancer, and effective for weight loss, reduce high fat and cholesterol level, and treatment against liver disease such as fatty liver, cirrhosis of the liver, liver poison, and glucose intolerance associated with obesity. Previously, study report that methanol extract of Veronia amygdalina has exhibited significant free radical scavenging and antioxidant and cytotoxic activities. This is a picture of Veronia amygdalina and is widely available in Indonesian. This study aimed to examine the nephroprotection effect of Veronia amygdalina on rats after induced doxorubicin. And method is toast African leaves, doxorubicin, and vitamin C, and etc. Material: a total of 500 grams of African leaf powder was put into a reagent bottle and macerated using 96% ethanol solvent with a volume ratio between powder and experiment design. Doxorubicin was induced at a dose of 5 mg per kilogram body weight at the days of 1, 7, 14 and 21. The extra ethanol African leaf was given at the days of 20, and at the last day the rats were anesthetized using ketamine at a dose of 17 mg per kilogram body weight in intravenous. Blood was taken from the rat's heart, then centrifuged for 10 minutes at a speed of 3000 to 4000 rpm. Finally, the blood serum was taken to measure the ureum, creatinine, and uric acid. This is a figure histological abnormality in the kidney. Result and discussion, and this is a table where the effects of African leaves can be seen to protect the kidney from damage caused by using doxorubicin. And the African leaf treatment group with a dose of 500 mg per kilogram body weight has the lowest serum uric acid value of 0.98 mg per deciliter. And this is the histopathology result of kidney disease, where is A without treatment or normal, B only doxorubicin, and C doxorubicin with vitamin C, and D doxorubicin with extra ethanol African leaf 100 mg, and E doxorubicin with extra ethanol 300 mg per kilogram body weight, and F doxorubicin with extra ethanol 500 mg per kilogram body weight. And the result observed in a rat kidney organ histopathology given doxorubicin, there were histopathological changes in the rat kidney organ. Histopathological description of rats given doxorubicin and ethanol extract of African leaf. It is seen that the administration of extract of a dose of 100 mg still show cell undergoing necrosis, while at a dose of 300 mg it shows a slightly better condition because there is no damage due to doxorubicin administration. Histological picture of giving a dose 500 mg also show no damage. And the bioactive content of flavonoid found in the ethanol extract of African leaf can act as a catcher of hydroxyl free radical and prevent cell damage caused by ammonium chloride and ethylene glycol. Conclusion: ethanol extract of Vernonia amygdalina has a nephroprotective effect on rats induced by doxorubicin. Vernonia amygdalina ethanol extract dose of 500 mg per kilogram body weight is the optimum dose to reduce level of ureum, creatinine, and uric acid, average about 64.6%, 60.8%, and 57.7% respectively. Statistically, the ethanol extract of African leaf has a significant difference, is smaller than 0.05 of doxorubicin-induced mice. This research indicates that Vernonia amygdalina dose 500 mg per kilogram body weight was the optimum to protect nephron from toxicity from doxorubicin.